Welcome back to Random Recess. It's Abed and Chris, and it's cruise day.
That's right, we're back on a Carnival ship. We haven't been on a Carnival ship since the Mardi Gras back in May. We're on the Vista here on New Year's Eve.
We're super excited to explore one of our favorite ships.
New Year's Eve on a Carnival ship. We've never done it before. We're excited to show you around and see what there is to do on the last day of 2022. We're going to start it off by going to Sail Away, might check out dinner in the main dining room, and then, there's a party. It's a Carnival ship.
And you can't start a Carnival cruise without a burger, and y'all know which burger we're talking about.
All right, so let's not delay any further. You know what time it is.
It's recess time.
And it's New Year's. Happy New Year's, everybody.
Happy New Year's.
Sail on, here we go.
8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Yep, and let's just get this out of the way at the top of the vlog. What happened to Chris's face? Well, I lost a fight to a gravel driveway the other night.
And then let's get it out of the way. Yes, I shaved.
Yep, baby face of bed. But we're excited to get on and get, you know what we're gonna get.
Yeah, there was a bit of a delay. There was apparently a passenger on the previous sailing that was unaccounted for.
Kurt.
Some stowaway waiting to the last minute to leave. We haven't sailed on the Carnival Vista since August of 2019. Here we go.
We're almost on. Here we go.
Almost on. All right. We're on. Choose fun together. Feels good in here. All right. First thing you got to do on any cruise is you got to get your muster done, your muster drill. So we're heading up to B4 here on the Carnival Vista, and it's the casino. We made it to B4, our muster station here in the casino. Like I said,
Nice not having to go outside to do it.
yeah, like I said, if there's an emergency, we're already here. Chris is looking for a machine.
I was thinking if they had a Huff and Puff machine on here, but I don't think so.
Oh, well, we'll have to walk around.
Anyway, thanks. I'm so glad Carnival still does the broken up muster stations. It's so much faster and easier. Take note, Disney. Get rid of the old ways.
Yeah, during embarkation, the elevator situation is pretty bad because, you've got everyone getting on the ship at the same time. You've got luggage being delivered. So pro tip is just to keep walking. Walk down to the end or just take the stairs. But usually the elevators in the aft usually are not as busy.
All right, Chris and I decided to take the stairs.
Like I said, embarkation, elevator situation is really tough. Plus, we got to work off all those burgers. Pro tip with guys' burgers, y'all, there are 2 lines, especially in these older ships. So usually one line gets really full while the other, which is closer to the Lido entrance, is completely empty.
All right, so from guys, I got double plain Jane. So a plain Jane with double patty. You can ask for more than one patty, pro tip. And I just like a plain burger, right? I don't want all the extras, just the meat and the cheese. And it looks like they changed their fries, so they're still good, but I think I prefer the old fries better. Well, I'll wait to see what you think of it. But hey, you got to do this when you first get on the ship, is get a burger. Just got finished eating down here at the room, and our keys are in the door. Hopefully it opens. There we go. Bam. What's up, everybody? We're in stateroom 8275 here on the Carnival Vista. Let's show you around and do a really quick random recess room review in under a minute. So as you walk in here, you got closet space. You got a safe in here. You've seen it. You got a little living area here as well. A nice little couch. Some desk space with some plugs, European style and American style. We're going to do some editing work here. Onto the beds. They didn't shove these together into one king, but that's fine. We have 2 twins next to the window and the large balcony outside. You also have a pretty good sized TV if you want to lounge. And then last but not least, the bathroom. Not much to see there. Shower, potty, and sink. Standard bathroom. That's our room, and this is going to be our home for the next 7 days. Also, look, it's New Year's Eve today on the Carnival Vista, and they gave us some gold New Year's hats. So we'll definitely wear these later when we go up to the deck party around midnight. But nice little touch. Thanks, Carnival. Happy New Year's to everybody out there. It's New Year's Eve today. And here's to a great 2023, everyone.
Galveston is our home port. Chris and I are from Austin, Texas, so we don't have a lot of options for cruising, but yeah, Galveston's become, pretty big hub for cruising. The Carnival Jubilee will be cruising out of Galveston. Chris and I were booked for the Carnival Jubilee, set to set sail for its inaugural in November of 2023. Unfortunately, due to delays, our cruise got canceled. So, not sure when we'll cruise on the Jubilee. The Jubilee is the third XL class that Carnival's come up with. Currently, Mardi Gras was the first. Celebration came out this year. And the Jubilee will be sometime next year, I think December, end of December 2023. Someone's already relaxed.
So, there's nothing wrong with a little pre-work laydown. PWLD. If you know us, you know what that is. But sail away's not till 4. We got a couple hours. Time to chill out, yo. Whoa! Did you see what's on our door? We never decorate our doors, but Hippie and his family decorated our door for us. This is so nice. So you'll see more of them later on, but that's really cool. What a cool surprise. All right, so we're out here on the Lido deck, waiting to sail away. We have about another hour till we sail away, but man, it feels so good out here. It's like 65 degrees. Finally got sunny. All the fog went away. Yeah, it's beautiful out here. It'll be much warmer tomorrow when we're in the tropics, but it's not too bad today. Everyone's out getting lunch. People are out at the sport court. Yeah, it's a good atmosphere. I think we're going to go down to the atrium lobby here in a little bit to grab a drink and maybe post up for the sail away party. But we're just enjoying this wonderful weather out here right now. All right, so our home port is Galveston. We love it, but we also can talk shit about it. The water's caca brown. It's not something to look at. You see the oil refineries everywhere. We're going to be in much better water later on today, and definitely tomorrow it'll be a lot bluer. But right now, we have to stare at this green-brown disgustingness.
All right, y'all, we want to wish you a Happy New Year's from the Vista.
Yep, we got our double Tito soda, and we're ready to go.
Cheers.
All right, so one thing that I wanted to notate on the Vista and on most Carnival ships that we've been on, there's so much seating around in the common spaces. Like, we're just chilling out here. Deck 4, right by the atrium, there's so much seating around.
On the Vista, the sail away party is actually on deck 3 in the front, in the lobby, which is really interesting. So that's very unique. Of course, Vista's lobby is very unique. It's got that cylindrical column and has LED screens that surround it. So it's kind of a unique lobby anyway, so might as well have a unique sail away.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Bring them out, bring them out. Come on, it's ladies, party time. Everybody, and Happy New Year! We are ready to set sail. We got a rotor, please, and close them out. We've been cruising for 50 years. Tomorrow, 51. So it's time to dance through the decades. Come on, ship, come and join us. We got the fun squad, our cast, DJ Renzo, hit it. 1, 2, 3. Come on, family. Carnival Vista, welcome aboard. Let's get on the dance floor. DJ, hit it.
All right, you guys, the Cat in the Hat is here with Thing 1 and Thing 2. Give this video a thumbs up.
Still on, here we go. Na 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 na. So let's celebrate. It's time to come together. It's up to you. What's your pleasure?
Oh, yeah, y'all, the sail away party is always insane here at Carnival. They know how to do it. Then again, Disney was fun, but this is a party.
All right, we're on deck 11 at the back of the ship. man, look at this view. You can see the other ships, and it feels so good out here again.
All right, before Bolt could ride, you had Sky ride, right? Everything has a beginning. This one you have to manually like pedal. Let's get enough likes, and then we'll have Chris do it on the last day.
All right, guys, this is what it's all about right here. Look at this sunset right here. Look at it. Gorgeous. This is a great way to set sail and begin our 7-night cruise here on the Carnival Vista. Give this video a like and a subscribe if you enjoy cruising content or other travel content.
Yo, this is freaky. We are sailing through the fog. I mean, it was foggy to begin with when we first got into Galveston.
Ghosts of the Mist.
Ghost ship.
Just creepy. Alright, so for tonight in the main dining room, they have a special New Year's Eve gala dinner menu, which I guess is like themed to New Year's. I don't know. There's a lot of good stuff on it though. Alright, so for instance, on the New Year's menu, of course you have for the appetizers, cold and hot, your classic shrimp cocktail, you have some tuna poke, but they also have some more, I don't know, we'll call it some New Year's centric appetizers like cheese soup. I think cheese soup is the New Year's tradition, maybe. And then yeah, for the mains, like I said, they have fish, they have barramundi, they have pork ribs. They also have, like I said, chicken parmesan, which is what Abed got, pan fried ribeye, which is what I got. And then also on Carnival, if you want selections from the steakhouse, you can order them in the main dining room, and they'll bring them from the steakhouse. Those are an extra charge, but you can do that if you don't want anything that's on the main dining room menu and you want something from the steakhouse. And then as for the dessert, we got warm cherry pie. Shout out to Ron. That's for you, buddy.
All right, so I order the Carnival Cosmo, which comes with Sky vodka, limoncello, and cranberry juice. Traditionally, a Cosmopolitan is Cointreau, cranberry juice, lime, squeeze of lime, and then vodka. So I think they found a little shortcut adding the limoncello. You really can't taste the limoncello. It really does taste like a Cosmo. So I don't know if this is like a hack or a shortcut, but it's pretty good.
So I got a spicy chipotle pineapple martini. You know, Abed and I are martini boys, and it's delicious. It tastes like just like pineapple juice and no alcohol. And the chipotle is like real subtle on the back, but yeah, that just tastes like juice. So you know, you can down that in about 2 seconds if you're not careful.
All right, for appetizer, one of my appetizers, I got the cheesesteak egg roll, and it was a little soggy because it was on like cheese whiz sauce, but I didn't mind that. Just fork and knife it. It was actually really good. It still had, you know, the top portion was still crunchy. The steak was a little chewy, but overall, like, it was really good. Does it taste like a cheesesteak? No, but it's meat and cheese and peppers, and that's close enough.
Right, so Abed ordered the sopa de queso, or the cheese soup, and it has Yukon Gold potatoes in it. I just gotta say, the flavor is good. It tastes like cheese, but the consistency of it is way too watery for my liking. Yeah, it's just a little bit too thinned out, but it does still taste like cheese. It's not a cheese soup. It's more like a potato soup that has cheese in it, but yeah, it's not like the best cheese soup I've ever had. I wouldn't even say it's really cheese soup, but it's an appetizer, so you get what you get.
All right, so I got the Parmesan and peppercorn crusted chicken. It came with sauteed lemon and mint with pan drippings. The chicken itself was good. It needed some salt, and the pan drippings or the sauce that came with it, or the jus. I wish I had a little more because it definitely needed that, but it's, you know, fried chicken. So you've had one, you've had them all. And then I also ordered the pappardelle as like another entree for Chris and I to share. Had a few bites. The chicken was more than enough. So I have to say, it feels like, I don't know if it's because it's New Year's Eve and it's the gala dinner, if like Carnival's portions have gotten bigger, but that was like really impressive. Like, they are charging for the third entree $5. So the first 2 entrees are free. So if you cruise with Carnival, you know that before you could order as many entrees as you wanted, not anymore. So I don't know if they've just like expanded or, you know, made their regular portions bigger because of that, but the pappardelle was good. It was handmade pasta. It was like it definitely wasn't al dente, but that's okay because that's how I like it. It's kind of mushy, but don't judge me. I like mushy pasta. But overall, really good. A lot of flavor. In fact, more flavorful than the meat dish. But most vegetarian dishes are like that, so I would recommend the pappardelle over the chicken. But overall, a good dinner.
All right, and I had the pan-fried ribeye steak. It was okay. It was cooked perfect, medium rare. That's what I asked for. And the chimichurri sauce that came with it was really good, and it definitely needed it. The meat itself was like super bland. It needed salt, and so did the mashed potatoes. But other than lacking salt and flavor, like the meat was cooked well. And like I said, the portion size was really good. So more than enough, filled me up, but definitely did need salt. And you know, sort of was a little bland on the bland side. Later on in the cruise, we're gonna eat at the steakhouse, Fahrenheit 555. We've eaten at that a couple different times, and the contrast between the steaks there and the steaks you get in the main dining room, it's like night and day. So looking forward to actually getting a real steak there. That is actually really good.
All right, y'all, dinner was really good. I mean, it's main dining, but I have to say it was a little elevated tonight. Dessert was good, definitely homemade. Yeah, really good experience.
I'm full, so it did the job. We're going back to the room now to change, and then we're going to go hit the mega deck party for the New Year's countdown.
Yeah, they're having a party, which makes sense. They can't just have it in one spot, so they're celebrating New Year's pretty much everywhere.
Pretty much
Ocean
all
Plaza,
over the ship, yeah.
Lido, Ocean Plaza, the lobby atrium,
The casino.
The casino.
Upstairs, yeah.
We've decided to go to the Lido, so stay tuned, keep watching. We're about to go there. All right, we're here at the Red Frog. We got a table. We're just waiting for the New Year's Eve party to begin. The countdown starts at 11:30, obviously, but there's a New Year's Eve celebration that starts at 11 p.m. They're finishing up some sort of like New Year's music, name that tune wrap up, but Chris and I decided to come up and just get a table. And yeah, now we're just waiting. We got our hats. Thank you, Carnival. Carnival provided us these hats, and yeah, we're gonna see how many line dances happen tonight. We're thinking 23 in honor of 2023. Carnival really has gone all out here at the Lido. Well, one, they've handed out hats. We had this in the room, but they're also handing out like these glow sticks. They've got, of course, music playing on the big screen here at the Lido deck. They've got a countdown going and some New Year's Eve trivia.
All right, so this year Carnival is sponsoring the ball drop in New York City. We got these cool lanyards, Times Square 2023. Oh, that's pretty neat.
Let's do it! Here we go! Carnival family, let's do it!
Countdown's on.
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Happy New Year!
All right, y'all, Happy New Year. That party was insane. We've never done New Year's on Carnival. This was fantastic.
Yeah, it felt like we were in Times Square, but on a boat. Happy New Year's to everybody out there. Thank you so much for watching this episode of Random Recess. And for all of you that have been following us since the beginning, thank you for the support. 2022 has been amazing. What a great year. We started this vlog and have gotten such a good response from it. Can't wait to take you on more recesses in 2023. But for right now, I think Abed and I are going to get changed and head out to go party.
Yeah, it's New Year's, and you know, we gotta enjoy ourselves a little.
That's right. So we're gonna set you guys down, and we're gonna go out and enjoy the rest of the party. That, man, it's rocking out there. So until next time,
We'll see you
on the next recess. Bye. Happy New Year.
Bye.